When the high-voltage battery is sufficiently charged, the available climate control preconditioning feature on the Audi e-tron allows heating and cooling to occur when the ignition is off. To activate from the lower MMI display, select the three-dot icon. Select the thermometer icon in the upper MMI display. To begin using the climate control preconditioning immediately, press the Immediate Start icon. A red bar illuminates and the remaining preconditioning time is displayed. The system will automatically default to the last set temperature, but this can be manually adjusted using the temperature control. To schedule preconditioning for a future departure time, press a timer arrow. 2 separate timers can be set. Set the date a maximum of 6 days ahead. Then select Next. Now set the departure time, and select OK. Activate the timer with the toggle button. Information about active timers will appear in the upper display once the ignition is turned off. Prior to the set departure time, the system can turn on and bring the cabin to the preset temperature. Preconditioning will continue to run 10 minutes after the departure time, and then turn off unless the ignition is turned on.